Good morning, students. Today's topic is nouns. I think you have already knowledge about nouns. So let it check. A noun is a naming word. It can name anything: a person, animal, place, things, quality, feeling, or idea. So from your childhood, just you are always knowing about it. It's naming word. Okay, maybe name of anything, name of any person, name of any animal, place, any feeling, idea, quality. Okay, so suppose Ram and is a name, it's a person's name, so it's noun. Like chalk, duster, it's name of anything. Okay, that is noun. Like tiger, it's name of an animal, so it is noun. So noun means in one word it's naming word. Okay, so next the types of nouns. So we'll learn about types of nouns, and at first we'll learn about the common types of nouns, that is common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns, material nouns. Okay, so common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns, abstract nouns, and material nouns. And at first, common nouns. Common nouns are nouns that name anything that is shared by every person or thing or any same class, and they do not refer to any particular person or thing. Suppose if I will tell to students, okay, but I am not telling the particular student any other particular student. It is only the group of students. The students are very the students of class 8. If I will tell that, then I am just particularing it. But if I will tell the all the students, it is not particular. And suppose tent, arms, cook, and the cook, it's name of group. It's not a group, any one particular person or something. It's the same class. It's it's same type. Okay, so it's common nouns. Teacher, it's not teacher means maybe male or female. It's not defined that I am telling. If I will tell that Ashok sir, that is definite, that is called proper noun. Proper noun are nouns that name of a particular person or thing, and proper nouns could be our name, the names of friends, the name of our school, the name of our building, the name of our state, the name of our country. If I will tell that a school, any school, you can define the schools of this code. So many schools are there. It's school here, common nouns. But if I will tell BP Memorial Public School, that your school BP Memorial is definite, it's proper nouns. If I will tell that any building's name, any buildings are very good constructed, but it's which building we are not defining, so that is common. But if I will tell that the monument, okay, the Statue of Liberty, then it is defining, it is just it's particularly we are telling, so that is proper noun. Okay, like Alok, like Sandeep, any name I'm telling. Okay, but if I will tell that friend is the common noun, it's not defining the who is friend, maybe male, maybe female, but it's not defining. So if it is not particularly just indicating, it is not particularly indicating, it is common. But when it is particularly defining, that is proper. So just try to understand the difference. जब कॉमन नाउन कब होगा, जब पार्टिकुलरिटी नहीं रहेगा, ठीक है, सेम क्लास सेम ग्रुप को समझाएगा। लेकिन प्रॉपर नाउन जब होगा जब उसको हम लोग डेफिनाइट कर देंगे, पार्टिकुलर कर देंगे, ठीक है। Next, collective nouns. Collective nouns are the nouns that name a group of collection of things of same kind. एक ही टाइप का चीज़ों का जब क्या रहेगा ना, ग्रुप और कलेक्शंस, लाइक bunch of keys, crowd of people, the bucket of flowers, okay, school of fish, like this. That is collective, means बहुत सारा एक साथ जब एक ही वर्ड में जब हम लोग समझाएंगे, ठीक है, तब उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग, उसको कलेक्टिव नाउन्स। ओके, बहुत सारा चाबी एक साथ जब होगा, बांच ऑफ की, ठीक है, तो बांच इधर क्या हो गया, कलेक्टिव नाउन्स हो गया, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स। एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स that name ideas, thoughts, feelings that a person can feel within himself but cannot experience through his five senses, that is the thought, sight, smell, hearing, touch or taste, like happiness, honesty, sorrow, excitement, boredom, like that. तो एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन जिसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना, हम लोग सिर्फ फील करते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन उसको हम लोग क्या कर नहीं सकते हैं ना, हम लोग का जो फाइव सेंस है उससे हम लोग उसको क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं ना, एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर सकते हैं। लाइक फाइव सेंस जो है हम लोग का, जैसे उसको साइड देख नहीं सकते, उसका स्मेल नहीं ले सकते, उसको सून नहीं सकते हैं, टच भी नहीं कर सकते, ना तो टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, सिर्फ उसको फील कर सकते हैं। लाइक हैप्पीनेस को हम लोग ना तो टच कर सकते हैं, ना तो देख सकते हैं, ना तो स्मेल कर सकते हैं, ना तो सुन सकते हैं, ना तो टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो हम लोग को फाइव, इट्स ओनली द आइडियाज, थॉट्स और फीलिंग्स, ओके। तो लाइक हैप्पीनेस, ऑनेस्टी, सॉरो, ये सब हम लोग का जो फाइव सेंसेस है उसको यूज़ करके उसको हम लोग क्या एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर सकते, सिर्फ उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, फील कर सकते हैं, सोच सकते हैं, ठीक है। So this kind of nouns, this kind of words that are noun, that is which kind of noun, abstract nouns, okay. Next, material nouns. So material nouns, these are the nouns that have a material, a substance of an ingredient that other things are made from, like कोई किसी भी चीज़ से बना हुआ, जैसे चेयर, टेबल, किस चीज़ का बनता है, लकड़ी का, तो लकड़ी क्या हो गया तुम्हारा, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, ठीक है। लाइक चेयर प्लास्टिक का भी हो सकता है, प्लास्टिक चेयर, तो प्लास्टिक क्या हो गया, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन। जिस चीज़ से बना हुआ होता है, ठीक है, जिस मटेरियल यूज करते हैं हम लोग उसको, उस मटेरियल को क्या बोलते हैं, उस, जैसे प्लास्टिक, रबर, सिल्वर, गोल्ड, तो सैंड, ब्रश, कॉटन, ये सब क्या है, ये सब मटेरियल नाउन्स, ठीक है। सो आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड nouns and the common five types of nouns, okay, common, proper, collective, abstract and material. Then we will go for its various differentiations or all other types also, okay. So main five types of nouns, I think you have understood. If you have any confusion, can contact me and just ask your problem, okay. Thank you, have a nice day.